Whoa, check out this drone. This thing is pretty small and it looks just like a Tello, but is it as good as a Tello? Well, we're gonna check this out in the video. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome to my channel. Well, in this video, we're gonna take a look at this here drone that comes in this here box. I'll pull it back so you can see it, and you can see it there, you can see it here. This drone, when I show it to you, it looks very much like a Tello. Well, you've probably seen it in the intro to this video. It looks like a Tello, and it does a lot of cool things. I've got the red one right here. Now, what's awesome about this drone, and you'll see in the unboxing as well, is that it actually has the prop guards, like double prop guards. They're part of the drone already. I don't think you can remove them. Now, you can't really break this drone unless, of course, you stepped on it, and it's got all the other cool features on it, like headless mode. It's got different rates, 3 different rates for speeds. You have the flippy mode. You also have I think you have the return to home mode. When you see return to home on these little drones, that just means the drone flies backwards to you. And it's got even gesture mode. So when it's in camera mode, you can make little things, signs with your fingers and stuff like that. And you can do gestures. Let me show you. So there you go. If the camera's trained on you and you move your fingers like in the bunny ears or the OK sign, or you put your full hand up, the drone will do the certain functions. And now you're wondering, how well does that work? Well, I guess you got to watch my review to check it out. So here we go. So to turn this little drone on, you have a little switch on the side. You just press it lightly and you see the lights come on. Now we're on. So let's see how it works indoors. Power this on, take off. There we go. Automatic takeoff. It has an optical flow sensor underneath, so it will stay very stable as I move around and under it here and all over the place. All right, let's do our little test, which we always do, flying indoors. I've got it on indoor speed, which is pretty fast actually for indoor speed. Don't have to worry about crashing into anything because it's got the little prop guards on. All right, spin that around, bring it back, and let's put it down for a landing, then we'll take it outdoors. Actually, what we could do is just go outdoors like this. Hang on a sec. Bring it this way. Since it will just stay in the air, I can open the screen door and we'll take it outside. There we go. Outside with our little drone. It's got different rates, so let's see how it does in the speed. There's a bit of a breeze out here, but it's super stable. Follows your hand. It's got a little camera on the bottom, so we can do that. Speeds. There's a faster speed. Bring that back. Oh, there we go. It's got 3 speeds, so here's the highest speed. Really good. It has the flippy mode, so press this. There we go, flippy that way. Come on back this way. And let's go flippy the other way. There we go. What else does it have on here? It's got camera, but I don't have the phone attached yet to do the camera. It's got gesture modes, start, stop, landing, emergency stop. If I hit the emergency stop, it'll fall out of the sky. It's got headless mode. It's got return back to me. And let's just put it down and go see if I have enough battery power to try out the camera. Hit the little start, stop, landing button right here. And it should come down nicely. All right, so I'm gonna try this a little different. Normally I fly drones with the controller and a phone, but I'm gonna try this just using the phone and see what happens. So automatic takeoff, it says. There we go. We're up. And let me just turn the camera on so I see what the video quality is like. All right, so that's the video quality that you get off this thing. Let's take it away up. There we go. And it's got some other goofy little things on here, like choreography. Let's put it over here. Okay, it's a little button here for choreography, which I saw earlier. Let's go back out. Choreography. Oh, you can land when I do that? It says here, build your choreography. I don't know if you can see that in my video here. There we go, put it this way so you can see it. So I add a bunch of things, and then I say start, and we'll see what happens. Is it gonna do it? This guy should start dancing with these things here. Yeah, here he's going. So, could also fly away from you too. Oh, it's doing flips. Yeah, cool little things there. Let's see what else it's gonna do. I've got a few more choreographies to come. It's on the last one now. These are just random ones I selected, nothing exciting. There we go, so I'm gonna stop it. Go back. Oh, it's going down. Let me point it this way. There you go, you can get it's up higher. How is the camera? I'm looking up at it. I'll see if I can land it from way up there. It's coming all the way down to land. It's gonna hit the table, it's gonna land on the table, it landed on the table. Nice. All right, so these are the functions for gesture mode. It says if you do this, the peace sign, it will take a photo. If I do this, I'll get the video. And if I do, looks like backward pattern. If I do this, it flies backwards. Maybe this. Not really sure. There's only symbols. There's really no instructions. So let's try this. It says just stand about 1 to 2 meters away. So let's try that.
Take off. It should go up and turn around and look at me. And it's going to look that way, but I'm not over there. I'm over here. Hang on. Come on back to me. I gotta fly it in reverse here. Okay. You lied to me, drone. It's too windy out, I think. See, if you're like this, the wind is moving it, so gesture mode's no good. Sort of like that, and I go gesture mode, it's gonna go, I wanna turn around and look at me. And I'm going in the trees.
All right, this is my plan. It's too windy out here, so I can't do the gesture mode because this blows away while I'm trying to control it and take a photo. So I've just put an elastic on it, attached it to my little coffee cup, and I'm gonna fly it that way so it can't go anywhere. You better not fall down, try to lift off my coffee cup. Let's see. I'm gonna put a gesture mode. Okay, don't take off, coffee cup. I'm gonna get down and I'm gonna see what happens. So I'm gonna put my hand up so it should see me. And now I'm gonna do the peace sign. Okay, let's try the video mode. Is it doing video? I can't tell.
Doing video.
Oh, looks like it's doing a video thing. Kind of works and it doesn't work. All right, let's do the stop. I think gesture mode on here is hit and miss. Nice addition though. Too bad it didn't work 100% of the time. All right, so all in all, not a bad drone. I'll say my favorite thing about this drone is that it's very stable. That optical flow sensor in the bottom works amazingly well indoors. And having the 3 rates to go faster and then super fast works perfectly outdoors. So you can fly this thing in the wind quite well. And the battery life is quite decent for something this size. Really good. The gesture mode, you know, the camera, the video, it's okay. What do you expect? Look at the size of this thing. So the gesture mode is hit and miss. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. I do like the fact that when it goes up, I didn't realize that it takes off. And when you put it in gesture mode, it flips around because it thinks that you're facing the camera away from you when you take off. So it flips around to look at you. Just got to remember that when you go into gesture mode. And now a quick unboxing of this drone. Let's take a look what the box says. It says it has optical flow positioning, gesture photography, OK gesture video, and fallback mode. And here we have the drone itself, very nice looking. Let's pull it out. Look from the side, look at that. You have dual prop guards, so it looks like bumper cars almost. Pretty good. Let's take a look at the front. So on the front, what do I see? Right here is a camera and 2 LED lights. And if I look at the bottom, I see the tiniest of optical flow sensor. There's a little camera right here, little optical flow sensor. That's pretty decent. Nothing on the side. These would be brush motors, little rubber pads for landing. Very soft, nice. And like the Tello and like a lot of other drones, the battery is just pull out the bottom like that. There you go. So it's a proprietary battery. You charge it up. There should be a little spot on here to charge it. There it is. There's a little hole right there. You would put a little charger in there, probably include it, and charge it up. That looks massively identical to a Tello. Look at how tiny it is. So very nice. Hopefully it flies great. Also included in the box would be your instructions for gesture mode and your other instructions for the actual drone itself. You get the controller, which I like these type of controllers where everything is nicely labeled. And now to show you the weirdest thing I've ever seen in a controller, I was very surprised. I took off the back. There's never any batteries. This one includes 3 AAA batteries. Also included is your charging system for the battery, 4 spare propellers, miniature Phillips screwdriver, and finally a cell phone attachment for your controller. You can see that it attaches right here on the bottom, and you just put your cell phone in there and you can watch the video from your drone as you're flying around. Batteries in the drone, let's plop it down and see how much it weighs. 47 grams. Move out of the way. There you go. 47 grams. All right. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Check the description below. You'll see this drone is not very expensive. It's very inexpensive, much less than a Tello. And where you can buy it and all that other good stuff should be below. If there's any coupons or anything like that, it'll be below. Once again, I never know because I post the video. I tell the distributor or the manufacturer. Then they send me coupons or whatever, links for certain things. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And there'll be more drone reviews on the way, so stay tuned.